Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to add fonts into your Webflow site. So typically you want to edit fonts here. And if you don't see it here, then you want to select add fonts. And there are a list of Google fonts that you can choose from, and you can search it up like Rick, and then select here, here, here. This is the weight of the font. So 700 is bold, semi-bold, and I believe medium, and then this is normal, and that's light. And then you simply add font. But if your font is not a Google font, then you can also upload it here and search where your font is, download it, and then upload it through here. And then you can go back by selecting designer. All right, if this was helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.